Hello guys, today I received my order from AliExpress, a 21700 battery. This box designed for Makita 21700 battery, and they provide battery case, BMS, and battery indicator, nickel strip. All I need to do is just to connect everything. So guys, today I will demonstrate how to build battery pack for power tools.
This is my first spot welding BIFRC, and I produced a video review last year on July, I think. Let's try if it is working. Nice.
guys, if you're enjoying watching my video demonstrating how to build your own battery power tools, kindly please subscribe, and please don't forget to press the notification below so that you will receive notification every time I upload a new video. And if you have any questions regarding this battery, please comment below. I will reply as early as my opportunity. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in my next video.